Tathagata completely perceives the true characteristics of the threefold world as they are. There is no birth or death, no ebbing or arising. Neither is there present existence and subsequent extinction, substantial reality or fictitious imagination, same or different. These characteristics of realities are not what one perceives them to be while living in the threefold world. Tathagata has clearly and unmistakably seen all these. The Lotus Sutra, Chapter 16, Section 1, Paragraph 11.
如来如实知见三界之相，无有生死若退若出，亦无在世及灭度者，非实非虚，非如非异，不如三界见于三界。如斯之事，如来明见无有错谬。妙法莲华经，如来寿量品第16。
Key takeaways. The true nature of universe is that of emptiness, the nature of non-arising and non-perishing. It is the state of pure potentiality, just like a white canvas. There is no divine creator who claims to create the universe and reign over all living beings.
关键要点：宇宙的本质是不生不灭的空性，它是一种纯净的潜力，就像一张白色的画布。这宇宙是没有创造生命和统治众生的造世主。
How does this verse in the Lotus Sutra compare with the most famous verse of emptiness found in the Heart Sutra? Let's learn more in the next video. Subscribe and follow Lotus Happiness to learn Buddhism through the sutras.
法华经的这节经文与心经中最著名的空性经文相比有何区别？且让我们在下一个视频了解更多。订阅并关注莲月轩，来通过佛经学习佛法。